Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I turn LTE calls back on? On your iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular Data Options and tap Enable LTE or Settings, Mobile Data and tap Enable LTE. If your carrier supports Voice over LTE, VoLTE, you'll see these options. Off, turns off LTE. Voice and Data, allows voice calls and cellular data use over LTE. Should LTE be on or off? For the vast majority of iPhone users, just keep LTE on. The performance is so superior to the other networks that turning it off, even if it may save some battery life, is not worth the speed reduction. What happens when you turn off LTE on iPhone? If your carrier supports VoLTE, if your carrier supports Voice over LTE, VoLTE, you'll see these options. Off, turns off LTE. Voice and Data, allows voice calls and cellular data use over LTE. Data only, allows cellular data use, but not voice calls over LTE. What does LTE on iPhone mean? LTE stands for Long-Term Evolution. It's a term used for the particular type of 4G that delivers the fastest mobile internet experience. You'll usually see it called 4G LTE. Using a 4G smartphone on Verizon's 4G LTE network means you can download files from the internet up to 10 times faster than with 3G. What are LTE calls on Verizon account? HD voice is also known as VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, although Verizon also calls it advanced calling. If the term VoLTE looks familiar, that's because it's similar to VoIP, or Voice over IP, which is making calls over the internet. The only difference is that VoLTE uses the carrier's LTE data network. Why isn't my LTE working on my iPhone? Open Settings and tap General to transfer or reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset to reset network settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Then tap Reset Network Settings once again to confirm your decision. Your iPhone will turn off. Complete the reset, then turn itself back on again. How do I activate LTE on Verizon? Go to the dial pad of your phone. Tap the three dots menu in top right. Tap Call Settings. Enable VoLTE on an Android. Tap Settings. Tap Network and Internet. Tap Call. Tap to enable VoLTE, HD Voice, Enhanced Calling.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.